come over. Bro, come over, come over. Stand up. Bro, come, stand up. To celebrate SG50, the GFS team heads to a historical site in the southern part of Singapore. Then called Pasir Panjang Beach, Labrador Nature Reserve contains many historical relics from World War II. Contrary to what many think, Labrador Nature Reserve did not see much action during the war because the Japanese came from the northern coast instead of the southern coast, which the British expected. However, Labrador Nature Reserve is near where the Battle of Pasir Panjang took place. In Season 2, our team covered the Battle of Pasir Panjang when we visited Kent Park.
I'm beginning to smell flowery scent, and it's beginning stronger by the second.
You okay? No, are you there? Noel, can you see something?
I can hear her.
Tonight, we will search for Batu Berlayar anti-motor torpedo boat battery because a contact of ours claims it is haunted. The AMTB was part of a large-scale defense line known as Fort Pasir Panjang. Since Labrador Nature Reserve didn't see much action during the war, can we rule out soldier deaths? Did historians miss out on executions by the Japanese Imperial Army at AMTB? Or could this be the case of random entities making an abandoned building their home? Joining us tonight are 5 friends of mine: Colin, Marco, Al-Jufri, Kendra, and EJ. After a short walk, we found the abandoned AMTB battery. The first battery was completed in 1892. It was simply amazing to see this 122-year-old structure up close.
So basically, I got a friend 10 years back. His name is Call. I don't want to mention. He came up with his friend, about 10 people, and you guys show up to him. So I hope to catch one today, man.
Something happened here, I don't know what it is. There's some energy, but I don't know what. I'm not. We call it the bamboo shoot, so I'm not sure what it is, but something went on here. I don't know what it is. I just feel that it's, I won't say it's bad. It's just that it was a happy. But that room with the helmet inside, something's wrong.
That's a helmet room.
Where?
No, the other one with the yellow helmet. The one, something is totally wrong in that one. In that room.
Which room?
The one near the antenna.
The other room?
The one I feel something is interesting. I mean, I don't get really scared, but that one had something to do with some feelings I had. But yeah, it's peaceful and it's nice, but there's something happening here, but we don't know what it is.
Okay, so if you are an entity here, you must be wondering what the hell we are doing. It's so simple. We are paranormal investigators, and we want to know if you exist. So everyone lights off. Everyone lights off. We want to get a feel of this place, and the only way we can find out if you exist is you start moving around. We want you to start moving around. I want to feel your energy. Do not take energy from one of us. You can take the energy from this camera. You can take the energy from one of our torchlights. You can take the power from the light above the camera. And then when you take the energy, you can start to do something, because you've got to use the energy, right? I think you already know that. So, if you are a soldier from World War II, and unfortunately you died because of the Japanese, you weren't good enough, you lost the battle, the Japanese won, how about you show us you are here? Or maybe we feel that the British Army wasn't good enough, that you lost to Asians, you know. It must suck, right, to a certain extent. So if you're unhappy about that, let us know. If you feel that the Kerpentai were assholes, let us know.
We conducted 2 EVP sessions concurrently. Colin and Put are located at the extreme end of the battery, and Marco is alone in a room.
If anyone is here, wants to make friends with me, come in peace. If you were here, what happened here? What happened in this room? Are the lights too bright? Are the lights too bright?
While the K2 meter was inactive, it seems an entity used Colin's flashlight to communicate.
Okay, I think you're behind me. So, yeah, my partner just said he can see you. I think I don't even need my hair is standing. So, just come in front now. Or come beside, or you know, make contact with us. Nothing that of a difference.
Actually, we come here just to shop food.
Yeah.
What is happening over here?
Yeah. So if you are just here, you know, tell us what's on. They're just curious, you know. I think it's quite interesting to know that you are around and Yeah. It's good to know such things exist. So.
You don't have any bad
Intentions, yeah, just make contact with us.
We are the question of what's so
Yeah.
close to you, so why don't we just share
So
what's
now,
happening over here?
you just off my torchlight. Right? Oh, I can't even turn it on now all of a sudden. You bring the torchlight because I'm not touching it. Okay, on it again. And off it again. You want to? So, I'm not playing the torchlight, so you can just turn it on for me again. It's quite weird. Okay. Is it no battery? But I don't think so.
Come in peace.
Meanwhile, in the room, the level of fear seems to be building. An abnormality is captured on video.
Show me yourself. Show me yourself. Tell me where you are.
Here is another look in slow motion.
Open the door. Who opened the goddamn door? You're not joking, guys. Who opened the door? It's not a joke like that. Open the goddamn door. Open the goddamn door. Don't open those doors, please. Don't open those doors. I'm not here to fight. I'm not here I'm here in peace. But show me peace, mate, because those doors were locked. Whoever opened those doors. Not a joke.
Hey guys, can you open the front doors or not?
No one's touching the door, bro.
Hey, this room is a door. There's no way the door can open. I'm getting out of here, mate. I'm getting out of here. There's no windows in this room. There's nothing in this room. They're all fucking wood. And there are doors that are 50 or 60 years old there. And they open on its own. I mean, you know what? You take care of that shit, man.
With paranormal activity happening at both ends of the building, we place EJ, Kendra and Billy in the same locations.
Can't show themselves, or can't even just do a sign to show us that you guys are here. I'm not saying you guys are coward, but you guys are human. You guys were human once, and you guys do know that even as humans, we don't believe that this ghost really exists here in this universe, in this earth, in this small little earth. But this is what we are trying to do. We are trying to get you guys to come out and show us that you guys really do exist in this world. And we've been trying so hard from season 1, season 2 to try to get you guys on tape, to get a little signal, but no. What? Did anybody just walk past the door? So basically I saw some. Oh. Basically I saw somebody, a shadow, was standing, just walking past, just showing half of the body, and I thought it was one of our teammate, and apparently it's not so.
It did not take long for our camera to capture another abnormality.
Do they stay here? I think so. Are you in the room? Can you hear the such meter? Guys, can you guys get more comfortable?
With Kendra pulling out of her EVP session, we are left with Billy to conclude his.
Soldiers are supposed to be brave, and I'm entering the military service in few more years, and few more months. That's even worse, and I don't know how's life in the army. So maybe you guys can talk to the recorder that is on the device. I don't know you guys know any device, but this is apparently a camcorder, a camera with a voice recorder installed on it. So if you guys have anything, to share, to tell us what did the Japanese do to make you guys angry, or you guys hated them, and just tell us a story. I'm entering the army in a few more months, and I'm eager to know about. I'm curious to know about what's gonna happen in the army, you know. I heard something behind me, and the feeling is telling me to get up from here. So I'm not surprised if the soldiers or the spirits around here, they might be thinking, hey, I'm fucking still alive and I'm still doing my job, keeping the coast, keeping the sea safe from Japanese. But let me tell you one thing, you guys are already dead. You guys are not soldiers anymore. You guys are ghosts and spirits, and we are here to investigate you. So, what the So, show yourself and I don't know what was it the crack that I heard or was it growl or something? But you guys are seriously fucking wasting my fucking time. Just come out and show yourself and tell me that. Oh, seriously, like, you want me to fucking pee on your fucking brow and I don't even know what to say.
With sunrise fast approaching, we had to conclude our investigation at AMTB. We can only hope the authorities refurbish and reopen this battery so that Singaporeans like you and I will get to visit this historic site someday.